Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Gmail crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Gmail crashing problem, guys, we can try it few ways. First one is either to check for an update, either the Gmail has an update or not. Try opening Play Store on your phone and search for Gmail over here. To do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen there is a search icon for us. Tap on it and search for Gmail. And if there's an update on Gmail over here, guys, try updating your Gmail. Maybe that will fix your Gmail crashing problems. And another two things you can try is opening up the settings on your phone. After that, search for apps over here. Let's go back, scroll down, and there is the apps option available for us. Tap on apps, and over here tap on app management. And over here, guys, let's wait for it to load. Search for Gmail and tap on it. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, you can see the storage usage option available for us. Tap on storage usage, and over here you can see there it says the clear cache and the clear data over here at the bottom right corner of these options, which means that, guys, if your cache memory is loaded up on Gmail, try clearing your cache. And that being done, Gmail will start to run a little bit smoothly. And if it's still not working, guys, tap on the clear data button over here. But remind you, if you clear the data, all of the Gmail's accounts and emails will be wiped out from your phone, and Gmail will be like new. You will be required to log in from the start on Gmail if you tap on clear data. But it also fixes the bugs where Gmail was lagging. So with that being said, guys, after doing all of these, even if the Gmail doesn't move smoothly or run smoothly, try reinstalling your Gmail app on your phone. And with that being done, guys, your Gmail crashing problem should be fixed. And guys, this is how to fix Gmail crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.